Hey guys, wanna know how to reset your forgotten password in Splice? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password in just a few steps so that you can get your account back to work. So first up, simply open up splice.com and head towards login. Now once you're there, if you have forgotten your password, you just need to select forward password, scroll down a little bit, and right above continue you can see forward password. Simply click on it. And once you're there, type in your email address you had registered from and then select continue. Now just simply check in your email address, and now right here you can see your password reset request coming in. So simply select reset my password, and there you have it. Now just type in your new password and re-enter it to confirm. Select reset password, and there you have it. Super simple and easy. Now you can just simply log in with your new password, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.